Let's say I've got a New Year's resolution. I want to practice my guitar more. So, come home from a hard day's work, and what's going to stop me from slouching down and just chilling out, watch a bit of TV? Well, instead I'm going to go to the cupboard, get my bass guitar, take it out of its case. Heavy old thing, these bass guitars. Plug it in now. There we are, and oh, well out of tune, so I've got to start tuning it now. And that's before I even play a note. So all those things are barriers to actually getting down and playing. So when I come in from work, my natural inclination is, oh, that's just too much hassle. I'm just going to watch TV for a bit, and I'll end up not practicing at all. So this is approach number 2. I come in from a hard day's work, and my guitar is the first thing that meets my eyes. It's ready, set up, on its stand, ready to go. And it's in beautiful tune too. So that's known as the 20-second rule. Anything that takes more than 20 seconds is a barrier to actually getting on and doing it. So I'm going to take advantage of that. And instead of having my guitar in a cupboard, I'm going to put the TV remote in a drawer. So that's going to be the barrier for me watching TV, and hopefully that will make me come to the guitar as the first port of call rather than the TV.